The modern apartment kitchen is no longer merely a utilitarian zone reserved for culinary preparation. It has evolved into the visual and social anchor of the contemporary urban home. In smaller living footprints, where the boundaries between cooking, dining, and living spaces frequently blur, achieving a clean, minimalist aesthetic becomes both a stylistic aspiration and a functional necessity. Central to this design philosophy is the strategic management of storage. Traditional, bulky upper cabinetry can often overwhelm restricted square footage, casting shadows and making tight quarters feel claustrophobic. By contrast, thoughtful shelving solutions introduce an airy, intentional quality to the kitchen, transforming necessary storage into an elegant architectural feature that honors the minimalist ethos of simplicity, clarity, and purpose. The philosophy of floating planes. At the heart of minimalist kitchen design lies the concept of visual weightlessness. Replacing traditional closed cupboards with floating shelves immediately alters the perception of scale within an apartment. Because these shelves lack visible brackets or heavy vertical supports, they appear as clean, horizontal planes slicing gracefully through the space. This structural illusion allows the eye to travel continuously across the walls, engendering an immediate sensation of openness. When selecting materials for floating planes, consistency with the apartment's overarching palette is vital. Matte-finished hardwoods, seamless composite materials, or micro-cement shelves that merge into the wall itself create a cohesive background. By eliminating visual noise, these floating installations elevate the kitchen from a fragmented workspace to a serene, gallery-like environment. Material integrity and monolithic tones. As a philosophy, minimalism relies heavily on the tactile quality and inherent beauty of materials rather than applied ornamentation. In a minimalist apartment kitchen, shelving should speak a language of restrained luxury. Industrial steel shelves, finished in brushed stainless or a soft black powder coat, introduce crisp lines and a subtle architectural edge that complements concrete or polished stone surfaces. Alternatively, thick timber slabs with a muted, low-sheen sealer bring organic warmth without disrupting the clean geometry of the room. The selection of tones should remain strictly disciplined. Monochromatic schemes, such as soft white shelves against an identical plaster backdrop, or deep charcoal ledges offsetting a pale gray backsplash, allow the shelving infrastructure to dissolve into the architecture, ensuring that the physical structures themselves do not clutter the visual field. The art of curated curation. Transitioning to open shelving requires a fundamental shift in how one interacts with kitchen artifacts. On an open platform, every item displayed becomes a component of the room's composition. The minimalist approach dictates a rigorous curation process. Only objects that marry daily utility with geometric grace should occupy these exposed planes. Uniform sets of ceramic dinnerware in neutral, matte glazes, pristine glassware, and monochromatic canisters create a rhythmic harmony when arranged thoughtfully. Spacing is as critical as the objects themselves. Leaving deliberate gaps, often referred to as negative space, prevents the shelves from mimicking supermarket displays. This disciplined arrangement ensures that the items on display look intentional, reflecting a curated lifestyle where form and function exist in absolute equilibrium. Concealed integration and recessed niches. For those seeking an even more radical expression of minimalist purity, the ideal shelving solution involves embedding storage directly into the architecture. Recessed niches, carved neatly into backsplashes or structural walls, provide flat surfaces that do not protrude into the room's limited physical pathways. These architectural alcoves can be highlighted with subtle, integrated LED strip lighting concealed beneath the upper lip. The soft, directional illumination casts a gentle glow over the contents, adding depth and a sense of luxury without the need for decorative fixtures. By aligning the front edge of the shelves perfectly with the wall surface, the kitchen maintains an uninterrupted, flush profile that maximizes physical space while emphasizing geometric precision. The spatial illusion of height. Beyond merely freeing up horizontal breathing room, strategic shelving placement can be used to manipulate the perceived height of an apartment kitchen. Running a single, continuous shelf high above the standard countertop line draws the eye upward, shifting the focus to the vertical volume of the room. This technique effectively distracts from a narrow floor plan by emphasizing the overhead space, making the ceiling feel significantly higher than it is. When left bare or sparsely dressed with singular, low-profile objects, these elevated ledges reinforce a grander sense of scale. They act as architectural horizons, anchoring the lower workspace, while allowing the upper walls to remain light, unburdened, and entirely open to the rest of the living area. The functional threshold. Critics of open shelving often cite the challenges of dust accumulation and maintenance, yet in a well-considered apartment kitchen, these concerns are easily mitigated through smart layout planning. The most successful minimalist configurations employ a hybrid philosophy. Elements that are used daily, such as coffee mugs, everyday plates, and frequently reached for spices, are allocated to the open shelves, ensuring a high rate of turnover that naturally prevents dust from settling. Meanwhile, specialized culinary tools, mismatched bakeware, and less attractive packaging are relegated to streamlined base cabinets hidden beneath the countertops. This functional division guarantees that the visible portions of the kitchen remain effortlessly immaculate, preserving the tranquil, clutter-free environment that defines the pinnacle of minimalist living. A catalyst for mindful living. Ultimately, adopting minimalist shelving solutions in an apartment kitchen cultivates a profound behavioral shift toward mindful consumption. When storage is transparent and exposed, the impulse to hoard unnecessary gadgets or accumulate redundant tableware is naturally curbed. Residents are encouraged to invest in fewer, higher-quality pieces that carry both functional durability and visual value. This intentional reduction transforms the relationship with the domestic environment from one of management to one of appreciation. The kitchen ceases to be a chaotic storage puzzle and instead becomes a peaceful sanctuary of clarity, proving that true luxury in modern urban living is not defined by abundance, but by the thoughtful optimization of space.